Central, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois. Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rockland, Walworth, and Clinton, Iowa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ. In north central Illinois until 1:30 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cape Run, or near Harvard, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodstock, Harvard, Marengo, Podler Grove, Richmond, Capron, Hebron, Timberlane, and Caledonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In south central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 3 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Blanchardville, or 14 miles southwest of Mount Horeb, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Monroe, Verona, Monona, Mount Horeb, Cross Plains, Belleville, New Glarus, Shorewood Hills, Black Earth, Maple Bluff, Monticello, Blanchardville, Barneville, Blue Mounds, Dayton, Hallandale, and Browntown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio. Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Edgerton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Edgerton, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, Utica, Rockdale, Nossaville, and Indianford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flooded... in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waterman to Leland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, St. Charles, Oswego, Yorkville, Little Rock, Plano, Sandwich, Shabbona, DeKalb, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Elburn, Cortland, Hinckley, Somonauk, Earlville, Waterman, Maple Park, and Leland, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 85 and 114. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio, case. Southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beloit, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Delavan, Walworth, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Tiffany, Allens Grove, Delavan Lake, Shapiro, and Afton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning.